Get ready for the future because Google Cloud just unleashed a massive $750 million innovation fund designed to explode the agentic enterprise. This isn't just talk. This fund is fueling the rise of autonomous AI agents across every organization, supporting global consulting firms, software providers, and channel partners in deploying the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform. We are talking about hands-on engineering support and deployment incentives to scale these powerful AI solutions across every industry imaginable.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALIN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we dive into a monumental commitment from the pharmaceutical giant Merck. Merck & Co. is locking in up to $1 billion over the next decade plus to make Google Cloud its absolute primary AI anchor. This massive pact includes AI infrastructure, engineers, and licensing for the Gemini Enterprise platform, with Google Cloud staff embedded right alongside Merck teams to drive groundbreaking research and development. But the technology behind this revolution is getting simpler and more accessible than ever before. Google has just dropped the Agents CLI in the Agent platform, creating a unified programmatic backbone that takes AI agents from experimental scripts straight into production in a single command line. This new tool eliminates context overload, allowing developers to move from idea to a secure, globally distributed service in hours instead of weeks. And finally, the workplace is about to change forever as Google makes its chat app the central interface for all employee agents within Workspace. With the Ask Gemini in Chat feature now generally available, Workspace users can interact with tools like Asana and Salesforce, using Workspace intelligence to give them an AI agent with visibility into all their work. Don't miss this. Stay tuned right here for all the breaking news. Google Cloud has launched a substantial $750 million innovation fund and expanded its partner ecosystem to aggressively accelerate the adoption of the Agentic enterprise, a paradigm where AI agents autonomously execute complex workflows across organizations. This strategic push aims to embed advanced AI capabilities directly into enterprise operations. The fund is designed to empower global consulting firms, software providers, and channel partners to build and deploy AI agents utilizing the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform. Support includes crucial elements such as hands-on engineering assistance, deployment incentives, and comprehensive training programs to scale agentic AI solutions across diverse industries. A cornerstone of this initiative is the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform, which features an agent gallery. This curated environment allows enterprises to discover and deploy vetted, third-party AI agents built on Google Cloud's robust, enterprise-grade infrastructure, ensuring secure integration into existing business workflows. The Agent Gallery already hosts solutions from major players including Accenture, Adobe, Atlassian, Deloitte, Oracle, Palo Alto Networks, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Workday. Google Cloud is deepening its ties with global systems integrators to drive enterprise adoption. Key partnerships highlighted include Accenture's Gemini Enterprise Acceleration Program, Boston Consulting Group's expanded transformation efforts, Capgemini's AI Enterprise Hub, and Cognizant's dedicated Gemini practice. Furthermore, major firms are establishing dedicated capabilities, such as Deloitte's Agentic Transformation practice, HCL Tech's Gemini Enterprise Business Unit, Infosys integrating Gemini into its Topaz platform, and PwC establishing a Google Cloud AI Center of Excellence, while Tata Consultancy Services is expanding its agentic AI offerings. To ensure rapid deployment, Google Cloud is embedding teams of forward-deployed engineers directly within key partners like Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, Deloitte, HCL Tech, PwC, and Tata Consultancy Services, enabling customers to prototype and deploy AI agents much faster. The expansion also targets broader platform integration. Google Cloud is integrating Gemini agents across major enterprise software platforms such as Palantir, Salesforce, SAP, ServiceNow, Oracle, Box, DocuSign, and Atlassian, allowing enterprises to seamlessly embed AI agents into their existing data environments. The partner ecosystem is further strengthened, boasting over 330,000 professionals trained on Google AI technologies. Kevin Ikpurani, president of Global Ecosystem at Google Cloud, stated, "Our partners play a critical role in enabling the agentic enterprise, and today we are also announcing new resources, technologies, and deep technical partnerships to ensure we offer customers the industry's most capable partner ecosystem for the agentic era." Merck & Co. is entering a major strategic alliance with Google, committing up to $1 billion over the next decade or more to establish Google Cloud as the primary anchor for its artificial intelligence initiatives. The agreement, announced at Google's Cloud Next conference in Las Vegas, encompasses AI infrastructure, engineering support, and licensing for Google's Gemini enterprise platform, with Google Cloud personnel embedded directly with Merck teams. This significant investment is part of a broader, aggressive digital transformation strategy for the pharmaceutical giant. The Google Pact is expected to span Merck's entire operational spectrum, from drug discovery, research, and regulatory processes to manufacturing and commercial operations. Merck's AI strategy is rapidly maturing, building on previous collaborations with entities such as Guardant Health, Illumina's Billion Cell Atlas, the Mayo Clinic, and Tempus, alongside prior work in variational AI and the KERMT small molecule model co-developed with NVIDIA. This deal represents a critical phase in Merck's history of digital integration. This AI push is strategically timed as Merck prepares for the potential loss of exclusivity for its blockbuster drug, Keytruda, around 2028. Keytruda, which generated $31.68 billion in fiscal year 2025 revenue, is crucial to the company's financial health. Dave Williams, Merck's Chief Information and Digital Officer, characterized the Google Cloud deal as one of the most significant launch periods in the company's history. Merck's internal AI advancements have already yielded substantial results. In June 2025, the company reported that its internal generative AI platform reduced the time required to produce first drafts of clinical study reports from 2 to 3 weeks down to just 3 to 4 days, while simultaneously cutting drafting effort by 50% and reducing errors. Furthermore, AI is being deployed in manufacturing via the Hawk-Havi platform on AWS, which has reportedly cut false reject rates by 50%. In discovery, Merck has leveraged models like KERMT, developed in partnership with NVIDIA and made available through BioNeMo and Clara Open models, underscoring a comprehensive, multifaceted approach to integrating AI across the entire drug lifecycle. Google has announced the launch of Agents CLI within the Agent platform, introducing a unified command line interface designed to streamline the entire agent development lifecycle, ADLC from idea to production on Google Cloud. This new tool is specifically engineered for AI coding agents, such as Gemini CLI, Claude Code, and Cursor, addressing the long-standing fragmentation developers face when building and deploying AI agents. The core challenge in agent development is context overload, where coding assistants struggle to map disparate cloud components, leading to excessive token usage and development delays. Agents CLI solves this by providing a direct, machine-readable interface to the complete Google Cloud agent stack, including Agent Platform, Cloud Run, and 8-way integration, effectively creating a seamless assembly line for development. Developers can now inject bundled skills into their coding environment with a single command, UVX Google Agents CLI, providing coding assistance with the necessary API references to scaffold functional, standard-compliant projects immediately. This capability allows developers to instruct their coding agents with complex requirements, such as creating a travel expense agent with specific approval logic, and have the agent handle the initial scaffolding. Beyond development, Agents CLI significantly enhances quality assurance. It features rigorous evaluation harnesses that allow coding assistants to orchestrate unit tests, validate data retrieval, and compare evaluation runs to guarantee accuracy thresholds before deployment. Furthermore, the CLI automates the complex deployment phase. It seamlessly injects infrastructure as code, ISC, sets up necessary CI/CD pipelines, and deploys directly to agent runtime, Cloud Run, or GKE, drastically reducing the time required to move from a local prototype to a secure, globally distributed service. While optimized for agent consumption in agent mode, the CLI maintains full support for human mode, enabling developers to run commands directly in their terminal for deterministic control and immediate intervention. Google encourages developers to start using Agents CLI in Agent Platform today to build the next generation of production-grade AI agents. Google is positioning its chat application to become the central agent interface for office workers interacting with AI agents across the entire Workspace suite. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian stated that the goal is to make chat the centerpiece through which users can interact with all their agents, regardless of whether those agents reside in Workspace or are built on the Google platform. The recently generally available feature, Ask Gemini in Chat, extends this capability by allowing Workspace users to interact with third-party tools like Asana, Jira, and Salesforce. This feature provides a daily briefing summarizing action items, unread threads, and pending tasks. Furthermore, Gemini in Chat can perform complex actions on behalf of the user, including generating documents and slides, scheduling meetings, and retrieving files. Analysts view this move as a direct competitive maneuver against Microsoft Teams, noting that chat is now the primary interface for employee engagement as email usage declines. They advocate for AI interfaces to be equally accessible across all applications, such as Gmail and Docs. Beyond chat, Google has announced several other AI enhancements for Workspace. These include the ability to edit spreadsheets in Sheets using natural language prompts, Gemini's capability to orchestrate multi-step constructions by combining data from emails, files, chats, and the web, and an upgrade to Gemini in Docs allowing the creation of infographics grounded in business data. Underpinning these advanced features is Workspace Intelligence, a new work graph that connects data across emails, chats, files, and the web to enhance the accuracy of Gemini agent outputs. Workspace Intelligence is designed to understand complex semantic relationships within a user's data and applications, personalizing outputs by learning past work and communication patterns. Google confirmed that customer Workspace Intelligence data is not reviewed by staff, sold to advertisers, or used to train AI models unless explicit customer permission is granted. Experts compare Workspace Intelligence to tools like Microsoft's WorkIQ, emphasizing that the core function is providing employees with an AI agent that has visibility into both their personal activities and company knowledge to boost efficiency. A key challenge identified is the necessity for these tools to integrate data from external sources such as CRMs and ERPs, especially in the increasingly common multi-vendor environments organizations operate in. In addition to Workspace updates, Google also unveiled Gemini Enterprise, a standalone application for interacting with AI agents, alongside new governance tools aimed at IT teams at the recent Google Cloud Next event.